very easy and pretty Republic Day card which you just now saw. The materials required are one white sheet, one orange sheet and one green sheet, one fevicol, one blue sketch pen, one rounder or compass, one sharpened pencil, one marker, one blue pen, one scissor and a drawing which I've drawn. So let's start making the beautiful greeting card. So hit this video a big thumbs up and let's start. First we'll take this A4 size sheet and I'll fold it into half. Now with the help of a scale we will divide it into 3 parts equal. We'll take a scale and mark at 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters and this is it. Now we will draw lines. Now what we'll do is, we'll take both our sheets and we'll measure it. We will take 15 by 7 centimeters. And so we will be making first the Indian flag out of this. Like this, make this on the green sheet also of 15 by 7 by 15. Make it like this and cut it out from the orange and green sheet. So I've made it on the orange sheet and I've cut it. Now I've also made it on the green sheet and now I'll cut it. Now I've got both the strips and above. First I'll take the fevicol and I'll stick this one. Apply a little dab of glue, not too much. And we'll paste it like this. Now take the green one and paste it also. I just paste it in the air, not too much. This way. And now just erase the lines to make it look a little more neat. Now what we'll do is, with the help of a rounder, first we'll insert a pencil into it. And then we'll draw a circle. So I have drawn a light circle and now I will trace it so that you guys can also see what's the measurement. Tracing it like this. So I have done it like this. Now on the center point of it, we will draw a small point. Now with the help of a scale, what we will do is, we have to draw 24 spokes. This is an Ashok Chakra and we have to draw 24 spokes. So guys, like this, I have drawn a perfect Ashok Chakra and it's merging in the center. You have to draw 24 spokes. And now we'll turn the page and I'll show you the drawing which I've made. So in this drawing I have made an Indian flag and here on the podium I have written Happy Republic Day and here a proud Indian. Now we'll stick it on this page with fevicol. I have drawn it directly with a marker and now I'll stick it. So guys, this way, so I have sticked it, and now what we'll do is we'll shade it with light blue. So with this crayon I'll shade it. I'm shading it like this. A little light blue. A very tint shade. Not that loud. Like this. And here I will be writing Jai Hind. And I've written it, and our beautiful greeting card is ready. So I hope you guys like this video. So give a big thumbs up and comment down below how was it, and share this with your near and dear ones. Bye guys.